Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a custom video thumbnail to your video on your YouTube account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for YouTube, as well as a video that we may have uploaded to the channel maybe yesterday, a week ago, a year ago, or 5 years ago. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. Let's now select a video that we will be working on. So, how to upload a video to YouTube on a Mac. Before we do anything, let's now minimize the web browser. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, navigate to YouTube videos. Let's now change the view, go to the video on top, click on this, change the view again, take the thumbnail that was created, right click, copy, go to the desktop, right click, paste. Let's now quit Finder. So we now have an image that we will be uploading as part of that video itself. We can now quit preview. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Safari, go back to that video, click on upload thumbnail. We have the thumbnail on the desktop, which we are going to click now. Let's click on upload. That has now been uploaded. We can now save changes. And so we now see the thumbnail uploaded to that particular video on screen. Let's go back one. And there we go. We have now uploaded a customizable video thumbnail to our YouTube video within YouTube Studio on our account using a Mac computer. So we can now go back one. We can now quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.